Want your logo or watermark to stay visible across your whole video automatically? In this quick Canva tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a watermark that stays in place from start to finish using Canva's new video editor. Right now, if you're looking in the new video editor, you'll see that this only has one frame. So usually with one frame, that's pretty easy to do. You can go into wherever you store your logo, and let's say you want to use this as the logo. You can just resize it and put it wherever you want. You can have it up top here, and you'll see the logo here, and just put it on its own timeline. But let's say you have a few more frames here, and usually in the older, you wouldn't be able to pass this initial frame. So let me pull this closer to the bottom so you can see. In the old editor, this would stop and this frame would restrict this image. But right now, because of the new upgrade, you can now use one element and just stretch it throughout the whole video, and that will be your watermark or your logo in your video. And this will stay consistent in this area. I'll pull it back up just because it's under everything. It will stay consistent throughout this whole video in the same spot, and you only need one element. So you can even extend it past the frames here. So say you want to add more, it will just add this. So this is actually really good if you are looking to template something. You can even leave this as is and add in videos in between, and this will not be affected like it would if you had the old version. So this is very convenient for that, and you can template this and have your logos, your text, and everything in the same spot, and you can just switch out videos if you want. So everything stays put. Now, let's say you want to use this as a watermark. You can also do this, and the way to do it is just say if you want to have watermark here like this, just change the transparency to a lower transparency, so this will act like a watermark. And if you want another example, I can show you how it would look like if it was text. I can add a text right now, add text box, and let's just say this is like a draft. You can easily just bigger, change the font color to white, and if you just want to use this throughout the whole video, you can do that by stretching it along throughout the whole video. And if you want, you can go back up here and just adjust the transparency again, and this will be the watermark video. I hope this tutorial helped, and I will see you in the next one.